Okay, it's December 6th. It's a Friday evening, doing this around 7 o'clock. Um, just starting this off, we've been in a kind of a cold stretch here for the last few weeks, and we're going to warm up a little bit next week. I think for you that think, oh, winter's over with, which I always get when this happens. This is a GFS model showing a stratospheric warming event right around the first of the year. So what that means for us is warm air rises, cold air is going to get pushed, and when it gets pushed, it comes down in the eastern part of the United States, at least as of right now. And again, this is right around the first of the year. What I'm thinking is going to happen is we're going to have a green Christmas. We won't have snow on Christmas, but I think as we get near the new year, we're going to have to watch for some kind of mixed precipitation. Could be sleet, snow, rain, something, but there's probably going to be a storm. But this cold air is going to come down. And usually what happens is it lasts for a couple weeks. So we'll have to see whether this happens early in January or later on in January. They're very hard to predict, but that's just giving you a heads up if you're wondering about winter. Okay, what we've got going on this evening is the flurries and squalls are beginning to let up. There's still some to our north, but we also have a little a disturbance to our north that will drop down and maybe leave a little bit of light snow or flurry action as it goes by tomorrow. Like this is right around 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, and then it goes away. And then there's a couple of flurries, maybe even a shower popping up here overnight, Saturday into Sunday. And then we got to get ready for this next one. This is around 8 o'clock in the morning on Monday. Rain enters southwestern Pennsylvania, and yeah, not snow. And as you can see, it spreads. This is around 11 in the morning, and it's all the way from Erie, which has gotten snow, all the way down into the Virginias, and it's all rain. As it moves to the east, this is afternoon hours around 2. Here's 3. Let's see. Let's take this back. This is around 4 o'clock. Sorry, there's 5, and you can see at the very end when the storm gets off the coast, the wraparound does bring in some cooler air. This is around 8 o'clock Monday evening, but for Pennsylvania, it doesn't mean much except for after that some showers. Then we have another disturbance comes through Tuesday evening, and again it's rain. And this is around 2 o'clock in the morning, Tuesday night into Wednesday, and it's pretty hefty rains. And as this goes through, this is around 8 in the morning on Wednesday and moves out. Cooler air comes in behind it. Now, this is what happens. The storm gets off the coast, cool air comes flowing in behind it. And this is around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday. So there could be a little bit of snow at the back end of it. This takes you to around 8 o'clock. Here's around 10 o'clock, and then it kind of goes off, and then you're left with a little bit of flurries behind it, and that takes you to up into next Friday morning, and that's about it. How much snow? Well, between now and then. Now this includes what's going to fall and snow squalls, but right now, as you can see, it's not much in the Poconos, an inch to 2, maybe 3 at most. Northern New Jersey, a dusting to maybe an inch and a half or so too. There's a little bit of lake effect going on up here, but if we were to delete the lake effect and just get into what falls, would be later next week. That's the snow that comes with that second system. First system's all rain. Second system has a little bit of snow on the backside of it. Precipitation total, rain and everything. You can see Dallas is pretty good. Eastern Pennsylvania can get an inch to 2.5 inches possible. Western PA a little bit less, but you're still around an inch or so out there. So it's a pretty moist week coming up. Temperatures this week. Now this is tomorrow. Anything in green is below normal. And as you can see, double digits below normal across the state, New Jersey and Delaware, all below normal tomorrow. So it's a cold day. As we move this into Sunday, you can see it begins to warm up a little bit. Still a little bit normal to a little bit below normal to the north, above 80, but south, you're a couple degrees above normal, so temperatures are moderating. And that's because that storm coming through is going to bring in some warmer air. This is around midnight, Sunday night into Monday. You can see some above normal temperatures and some areas close to normal, maybe a degree or two below normal overnight. But as this comes in, you can see these temperatures rise to normal to 5 or 6 degrees, 7 degrees above normal on Monday morning. And then you're going to see that it really warms up Tuesday morning. There's double digit warmth out here by Pittsburgh. What that transfers into temperatures, temperatures are into the 40s, upper 40s Tuesday morning. And we'll go move this ahead towards, and here's the front coming through here. This takes you to afternoon hours on Tuesday. And again, there you're above normal double digits in the western part of the state ahead of that, and you can see temperatures have climbed into the 50s. Yet in the Poconos, you're in the 30s remaining still there. And then take this out to one more day. You can see the cold front coming through. There it is. You can see right behind it. Everything warms up from the winds come from the south. This is around midnight or so, Tuesday into Wednesday. Um, Here you can see your temperatures are moderated in central part of the state into the 40s, and then as that front goes through, you can see it cool things off. Here's let's see. Here's Wednesday afternoon, and you can see temperatures where the front didn't get to or just got to. Jersey, Delaware, down by Philly, you're in the 40s. And out in the western part of the state, you're heading down below zero, below freezing again. And then this takes you to Thursday morning. There's Thursday morning. And you can see the teens are back up here, 20s for the most part. Southeastern PA, a little below to just a little bit above freezing. Same thing in Delaware and New Jersey. And then during the day on Thursday, um, let's see if we can get this to Thursday. You can see it's a pretty chilly day on Thursday. Very cold temperatures on Thursday. So we get a few days where it warms up a little bit, and then we go back into the colder temperatures. But it's going to be like that seesaw through the month, and you can only hope that, and maybe a storm gets off the coast around Christmas if you're hoping for a white Christmas. A little too far out right now for me to make a call, but I still kind of think it's going to be a green one for most of us, if not all of us. Okay, I'll do another update on this on Sunday, and I will go live Sunday afternoon. And I will make the website, the .com site that I have, I'm going to make it free after I go live on Sunday afternoon. I'm going to do it live Sunday around 4 o'clock on Sunday. How's that? We'll set it for 4 o'clock. I'll go live and we'll talk on there, and I'll make it free after that for like 48 hours. So you can see the whole website, what it's all about. Then I'll close it back down to only the members. And hopefully that'll bring in some new members to the website once they see just how it's changed and what's all involved in it. Because I definitely need more members to join there. And remember, it's www.weather-outlook.com. All right, everybody take care, keep warm, and then next week we'll be trying to stay dry. All right, take it easy.